If we use automated bidding strategies, is there any need to use bid adjustments for devices? Great question. Google says we can't use bid adjustments when using automated bidding strategies. So automated bidding strategies will not work except on target ROAS and target CPA have now gone on to maximize conversions. But what you can do is you can stop your devices on certain campaigns. So you run one campaign for mobile, one for desktop. So these are the only two devices which we use. We never run ads on tablets and on TV screens. Just keep them separate because mobile is going to eat up the whole budget anyway, most of the budget. So that way you can allocate certain budgets and see the performance of each device. But you can bid adjust at device level, not on locations or audiences or any other levels.